What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Puma 30RKQS. The RK is going to stand for rear kitchen and the QS is going to stand for queen slide, but I want to take a look at this exterior before we hop in on the inside. Towards the rear of this travel trailer, you have some outdoor kitchen action with a pull-out griddle, as well as a fridge to keep your drinks cold. We have a big awning on the campsite here, which is really nice. Dual axle, solid steps underneath that entry door. And if we take a step on the inside, we're gonna check out our living room area first. So, right when you walk in, you're gonna see this couch. Nice little logo up top there. This is a tri-fold sofa, so you do have some room to accommodate your little stragglers. Across from that, or next to that, you're going to have your theater seating. You do have recline, as well as cup holders, remote storage in the middle, some storage up above, which is really cute. We have two slide outs in this travel trailer. Next to your theater seating, in this slide out, we're going to have your dinette. This is a 4-seater dinette. It does turn into a bed as well. Some storage underneath. And then we're going to check out your RK, or your rear kitchen. Starting with your pantry area, you do have some pretty deep shelves up in here, as well as your 12-volt refrigerator right next to it. Single basin sink, plenty of counter space. You have your 3-burner cooktop with your oven down below, microwave up top. And then as far as your entertainment center goes, you have your TV space, window, soundbar in the middle, fireplace down below. Excuse me. And if we make our way down this hallway to the left, we're going to check out our bathroom. So you have your sink, your medicine cabinet, and then a really good sized shower with a skylight up above for a little bit of extra headroom. You do have some towel storage on the left here, as well as your toilet down below. If we make our way further towards the front of this travel trailer, we're going to check out our main bedroom. This is going to be a queen size bed. If you remember that model number, QS queen slide. Storage underneath the mattress, as well as storage up above. Charger on the left hand side. As far as your wardrobe space goes, you do have plenty. If we check this guy out, it does go all the way through. Super nice to have. What is also super nice to have, is going to be washer and dryer prep, or maybe just more storage. Totally up to you. Across from your bed, you're going to have a little bit of extra cabinetry, TV backer, and a window. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Puma 30RKQS. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And then we're going to check out your RK, or your rear kitchen. Starting with your pantry area, you do have some pretty deep shelves up in here, as well as your